Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website. Now, in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Within the username section, type in the username that you set up while creating your account, and in the password box, type in your account password. After typing in both of these, you can click on the login button and you will directly be logged into your account. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the trouble logging in button and you will be allowed to recover your password by entering your email address or your phone number. Once everything is correct and set up, click on the login button after entering your credentials, and now you will immediately be logged in to your account on Twitch. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on the Twitch website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.